to go other side. The babies. I told Rosemary not to go that far. They're babies. There's white babies.
Daddy was looking for you.
I told Rosemary not to go that far, and she's not.
Did you see Daddy?
Yes.
Where?
Over there.
He was looking for you guys.
I told Rosemary to come back, but Rosemary said no.
They're fighting.
Let's take a picture of that guy. I told Rosemary was bad. Now Daddy's gonna see. What kind of fruit is this?
Oh wow! Where did you get this? This is
over-
berries.
I found it over there. There's a big bush. I found it.
Is there any more?
Yes, there's more.
This is actually edible.
What?
You can eat them.
They're over there. Do we have them at our back? Oh wow, that was close. Whoa, look at that, Mommy. Look at that cute. That's cute. It's a snake bird.
What snake bird? Here.
Tell Daddy that you were going.
No, you can't go anywhere no more. Until Daddy gets here. Right there.
So you can clearly see it.
Yeah.
We saw berries, Daddy.
Saw berries.
Did you see the berries that they had in their hands?
What berries is that? Oh. That looks like raspberry.
It is.
Yeah.
Better than ours.
Where'd you get that from?
Over there. They
But-
have a big bush over there.
Oh.
You see it?
We'll go around.
Daddy,
We'll go
this
around.
way. Can we go this way?
Oh my God.
That way is too swampy. I'm going to see it again.
That's what berries do.
Makes you fart. Yuck.
Good thing we're out in the open.
That's really cute. We should have brought snacks with us.
Oh my God. Yeah, the road used to go through in the old days. It doesn't go through. They closed it off. Going where? Stay together.
I don't want to go with her.
No, you have to go. You both have to go together.
I think the,
Take a picture of that little birds. We're going to pass through this way. So go with them. No, we're going to pass through. Rosemary, later we're going to pass through and they'll be still there. Come on, let's go.
Go with her. Yeah, this whole pond. That's what you call about an acre.
yeah. I wish there's more than just one, set of trees. Hmm? The girls are so attractive. Look at them. There he comes again, bringing sticks for his princess.
She always gets slapped in the head every time he comes in, too.
I know. There's a lot of people around here. There he you go.